Okay. Hi. It's about 9:30 in the morning, and I'm going to open up the garage door, and we're going to do some plowing today. I've got 4 layers of tops on, 2 socks, hats, everything else ready to go. Let's open up that door and see how bad this really is. Oh my gosh, well, we got a wall of snow right here, a wall of snow, and I've never seen that before. So we already start off with a challenge, can't even get out of the garage. And here's my driveway. It is buried here somewhere. My neighbor across the street, he's in his driveway. In his garage, actually. You can't see him here, but he's there, and he can't really get out either. Car doesn't look too bad. Over there is Judy and her daughter Jessie. They've been out there all morning. But anyways, let's see here. And here's my friend that's hopefully going to help me get out of here. My 2-stage Toro 724 snowblower. My dad bought it in 1979 after the last big storm, and it's been working great ever since. Been keeping it up. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how high the snow is. You know, we gotta see how high the snow really is. So, over here, we got ourselves a yardstick. Alrighty. And let's see here. It is 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 inches. Nope, 27 inches of snowdrift. Right there. I know it's kind of foggy. That is 27 inches of snow. So, I'll come back about an hour and see how far I've gotten.